Hope you're all okay. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. As if we are in 2023 already. Like, I just can't get over it. So this is my first video of 2023. I'm aware that I've still got the Christmas tree up, but we're going to take it down tomorrow, which will be the 1st of January. I thought I would do a what I got for Christmas video. I haven't done one of these for years, but the reason I wanted to do one this year is because I feel like they actually give you good gift ideas for like birthdays or Christmas next year, or this year should I say. So yeah, I just thought I would share with you a few of my favourite bits that I received for Christmas this year. Mum was actually going to film this video with me and show her presents, but I kind of sprung it on her really last minute and she was like, I don't have time. So I was like, that's absolutely fine. Like, she wanted to do it, but I'm rushing to go out because it's New Year's Eve. So yeah, it's just me, but I'm sure I'll get her in a video really soon. I hope you all had a lovely Christmas, by the way, and as I say, Happy New Year. If you enjoyed today's video, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna jump straight in. Okay, so the first Christmas present that I got, this is literally my favourite Christmas present. So I got some new Axel Arigatos. I bought my first pair last Christmas in the Boxing Day sale from Flannels, and I've literally lived in them this year, so, or last year, however you want to say it. God, that's going to be so confusing. So I actually knew that I was getting these because I picked them. I was toying between two colours, so I'll unbox them now. I've not actually unboxed them yet. You get a little really cute, like, feels like leather material, little dust bag. And they've put some stickers in this one, which I've not had before. But let me just show you. I went for the, oh my god, rustling central. I went for the purple colourway. Ah, look at these. Okay, this is the first time I've actually taken them out the box. Christmas was so full on in the Christmas house with the whole family that I actually haven't had a chance, about to drop them, great. Actually haven't had a chance to fully look at them. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Look at these. I can't wait to wear them. So I got those in a size 5. They are literally my favourite trainers. They're so comfy. I live in them. The other ones I've got are the, I think they're like the original ones, the original marathon runners. But yeah, these are the lilac/blue colourway, and yeah, definitely my favourite present. I am so grateful to have these. I then also got this perfume. This is the Jimmy Choo Illicit perfume. I actually love the smell of this. I was in desperate need of perfume. I was down to like 1 bottle, which for me is quite rare because I'm normally like picking up little ones in Zara and stuff like that, but no. I got to a point where I was virtually running out. So I got this Jimmy Choo one, and I absolutely love that one. And then I also got, I'm just going to put that on the side. Then I also got my, you can see I rushed it out the box to spritz it, my all-time favourite YSL Libre, I don't know how you say it, but basically the original Libre is how it's spelt. This is literally my favourite perfume ever. So I was very lucky with the 2 perfumes that I got. This one is definitely my favourite ever. So I'm well equipped now for the year. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'll probably use these by the end of the year, but I feel like perfume's a nice present to receive from somebody else because I don't always go out and buy myself perfume, if that makes sense. And then this is actually one of my favourite presents again. This is from Mum. A nice little DKNY scarf. So I knew I was getting a scarf because she called me and was like, do you want a new scarf? And I was like, oh yes please. But I hadn't actually seen it. Black and grey scarves are my absolute favourite, and this is so nice. I've got plenty of time to get my use out of that now, whilst we're still in winter. I feel like that will go with everything because I'm always stealing Mum's scarf. When I went to Dublin, I literally took Mum's scarf. When I went to Edinburgh, I borrowed her scarf. So I've got my own one now. This cute little beauty blender set was from Mum, and I absolutely love this. I've actually taken the beauty blender out of it because, which is currently orange, because I needed a new one. So in here you get a few little beauty blenders, you get a little cleaner, you get a nice, let me open it. This is what I've wanted for so long. This beauty blender sponge, look at that. So I've got one of those, I got little soaps, a little black one, which is probably the one I should have used, but I've got the next size up, which I've been using. And that was a really cute little set. I don't actually know where Mum got that from. But yeah, it's a little beauty blender set. Anything that's in here, I'll try and link below if they've got it, because some of it may be in the sale now, which will be a bonus for all of us. This was actually a Christmas present to myself. I picked up the Refi like complete face set. So the cream blush, the bronzer, the powder, the face primer, the body glow, the lip sculpt, brow sculpt, lip gloss, the duo brush. That is actually the delivery that's just arrived to deliver my McDonald's Happy Meal. Like I said, I'm in a bit of a rush today, so I ordered McDonald's. So yeah, this is a Refi set which I got on offer, but it has like the whole collection. So obviously you pick different tones of like the blusher and the bronzer, you only get one of each, but it was such good value, so that was a present to myself. I then also got this little Morphe Bring the Glam set. So it comes with a eye palette, 2 brushes and a mascara. So 2 little brushes, as you can see here, a palette and a mascara. Let me show you the palette. This is the palette. I hope you can see that. The colours are, I feel like they're kind of like a go-to for everyone. It's kind of like your bronzy, dark kind of like tones. This is the box that it came in, and I'm going to try and link it below. This is from Look Fantastic, I believe. So this book I actually received twice. Clearly people know that I'm a big fan of Cherie Le Pen. I don't know if I've pronounced her name right, but massive fan of these books. She writes The Couple Next Door and what's the other one I've read? A Stranger in the House. Both of those I've read, but I've not read An Unwanted Guest, so I got this twice, which is fine because everyone clearly knows that I'm a fan. So yeah, I have got one book spare, so if any of you want to read it, let me know. I then also got this really cute Winter Walks candle. Oh, it smells really nice. It's peppermint, pine needle and cinnamon. This was in my stocking. It's like an Inspire Daily 2023 inspirational calendar. So you've got loads of different quotes like positive thoughts bring positive outcomes. Mum actually tries to get me one of these every year, and every day I like peel it off from the little pad and look at what the positive quote is. Maybe I'll share them daily on my Instagram story. That should be a little New Year's resolution for myself, because it's a daily thing, so watch out for these coming your way. This is from the Calendar Club. I think they have those like all over the UK. I then also got, this is actually one of my favourite presents, a little journal called What I Love About Me. So basically it covers everything from like thoughts and things that have happened that day, what you're grateful for, habits that you'd like to build over time, goals for the year ahead. And I think presents like this are really nice because you can look back at them like at the end of the year and reflect and see what's what. So there's like room for improvement, holidays that you've got planned, I don't know, things you enjoy about your work, ways that you can have more fun, where you want to travel to. So I'm really happy with this present because I think it's a really thoughtful present. Like I'll actually use it every day, or like as and when I want to fill it in and look back in a year's time. And I love doing that because I actually journaled some of the stuff at the beginning of last year, and I read it back and so much has changed. It was actually crazy to look back on. So I would strongly advise you all to get a little journal or like a diary and just write things down every day, because you will forget so much that's happened. But also it's good to like manifest and write your goals down and everything like that. I also got the little face halo, what are they called? Modern makeup removers. I had to think about that for a second. I think I actually received one of these in PR like a few years ago, but they were mini ones, I think. So I got another one from Mum, and yeah, they're just to take your makeup off with, and then you wash and reuse, you just add water. So I'm gonna give this a go. Loads and loads of little random like stock refiller bits, like Carmex, can't go wrong, a little mini Olaplex, Rituals body cream, basically stocking fillers that you literally can't go wrong with. These really cute Primark fluffy socks. These are in my stocking from Mum, and they're from the wellness range. And I also got a pair in grey, which I love. And then also got some really pretty earrings. Let me try and show you. How cute are they? Hope you can see them. They're like little hoops. They are from Stella Picciotto? I don't know how to say that, but I think Mum got these in TK Maxx because I'm sure I've seen them in there, so they are really pretty. I also got a lot of like stocking fillers, fluffy socks, pyjamas, little bits of like your standard like dry shampoo, cotton pads, chocolates. Wait a second, look. There is a lot of chocolate. I've also got a big Cadbury caramel, Tony's chocolate. Basically, I've got enough chocolate to last me an absolute lifetime. So those are some of my favourite presents, and I'm really, really grateful. I always get given money from some members of my family because I think they just don't know what to get me and they know that I like to save for my holidays. But I feel like I've done very, very well with the presents that I'm showing you, and I think there's a few little gift ideas in there as well. So something that I also received, which I would really strongly recommend you doing if you know somebody that gets their like nails done or gets like a treatment done. So my brother and sister-in-law actually got me a voucher for the lady that does my brows, nails, everything basically, LVL, and I thought that was really thoughtful because I did not expect it. I opened it up because it was in a little envelope and I just thought it may be like, I don't know, a scratch card or a voucher or something like that, but it was actually a voucher for my beauty therapist. So I was really grateful for that because I went to have my treatment done 2 days ago and I got to use my voucher. So that is a really good idea. Instead of buying like, I don't know, like an Amazon gift card, which is still amazing, get something that you know that they go to, or like a salon that they go to or something like that, because it's actually really good and it makes your bill a lot less, which is always welcome after Christmas. We also have a little family tradition where we all give each other scratch cards. So this year I think I won on 3. I won £20, I think. I won £5 on a £1 scratch card, and then won £10 on a £5 scratch card, and then I think I won another £5 on another one. So we have a little tradition where we always get each other scratch cards. But those are my favorite, some of my favorite presents that I wanted to share with you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I kind of wish Mum could show you her presents because I feel like I really did smash it with some of her gifts. But maybe I can show you some of them in like a little vlog or something when I do like some vlogs with her. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Happy New Year, and I will see you in my next video.